fans, it be like say Lizzie Gold matter don't hold ground for Yul Edochie life. The way this matter they go, so it be like say Lizzie Gold, he and Yul Edochie, their matter don't go far. So Juju Ekwensu now, the pepper body, because there is no peace for the wicked. The pepper body, she don't use until they confess. So if una hear wetin Juju Ekwensu they talk, hey, make una carry share come here another one. Juju Ekwensu do open mati poa. She don't dey throw away everything. Now, according to Juju Ekwensu say, Grandpapa, the promise where you promise am, can't give am. She no go follow your son and live for free. He said there was a contract signed between she and Grandpapa. I said two of them, they signed contracts. Hey, my people, I felt tell I said this matter, we never even hear anything. No. But this one where they come for Juju Ekwensu make I feel talk my own. I don't know whether na truth or whether na pepper body of Lizzie Gold. Now Juju Ekwensu say they confess this lie or na truth. Be like say this woman won't just destroy. Be like say this woman won't just destroy the Edochie family. Pata come off for ground. The way things they go. You see that she want to destroy that family, scatter that family. Or wait till she dey talk na truth. My eyes no reach am. Juju Ekwensu said there was a contract when she and Grandpapa signed. He said that contract now, Grandpapa is not keeping to his promise. She have done her own part. So Grandpapa need to give her her own part. Because she no go come up for you as empty-handed. She no go leave empty-handed. If they say they won't disgrace her, she will disgrace them. Aye. Ekwensu say she have nothing to lose. Who know herself? He said, but the Edochie family, they will not only lose, they will fall into the bottomless pit. Hey! My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. According to Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water, she said, na she buy Kambele-Chukwu. For where she dey talk this word though, she said, na she buy am. She said, but there was a contract that was signed for her to buy Kambele-Chukwu. Hey, Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water. He said there was a contract that was signed. According to her, she said this whole thing na she said this whole thing na Grandpapa na she dey date. Na Grandpapa na she dey Nakademus. Yes, he said na Grandpapa na she dey Nakademus. He said na from Mr. Obasi house na he don dey Nakademus Grandpapa tete. He said na Grandpapa na she fair meet na he dey Nakademus. He said he come carry belle for Grandpapa. He said this belle so. He said even when you don't enter, you was just a picture to cover up. Una know as in Kolus be want to enter into relationship with Lynch Edochie. Meanwhile, our target is Yul Edochie. The same thing when Juju Ekwensu do. Juju Ekwensu boyfriend or my friend or sugar daddy was Grandpapa. Yo was just a picture to cover road. Hey, it be like saying there is a pattern in this family. Now, she said when she carry the belle, say when she can't carry belle, say na Grandpapa give her the belle. No be yo give her belle. She no be Momo, she no who give her belle. Say na Grandpapa give her belle. He say after she don't carry the belle, he say why it be say in the date yo since then, you no bring her come aside. Now after the pregnancy, now everything can dey happen. He said because Grandpapa know wetin dey happen. He said so as she carry the belle, he said for this child not to be outside. For this child may not be like say the pikin come dey outside. Now they come carry the pikin put for yo head. Because it's better make they disgrace yo than they disgrace the father. The father get more integrity past yo. He said she never have any intention to buy Kambele-Chukwu. He said the only thing when he be won't do she, Juju Ekwensu, Romasi Mami Water, be won't do Kambele-Chukwu na to throw sickness, go give that boy. She said that was her plan, to throw sickness, go give Kambele-Chukwu, all those sickness where they give senior son, where they come, they useless, they not get sense, you know, senior son where polygamy don't enter. Now wait till they happen to most of them, unless their mama na strong prayer warrior. So Juju Ekwensu say, that was her plan. No, he said he was surprised. Grandpapa come meet her. Come tell her, say, no, how you throw sickness go give this boy? Now to buy this boy. He said, Grandpapa, he said, I can't tell Grandpapa, say, buying no good. Now me they throw sickness give. I say, Grandpapa, say, eh? He said, if this boy they sick, even if he dey wheelchair, that is Kambili. He said, Juju Ekwensu throw sickness go give Kambili now. Even if Kambili they sick, Kambili dey wheelchair. Grandpapa say Kambili go still inherit his property. Is his right. He said, but if they remove Kambili, his own son, which is Papito, go come inherit the property. Now I make Juju Ekwensu, they always talk say, after Kambili is my son, after Kambili is my son. So Juju Ekwensu say, now she can go discuss with her family. She said her mother said that is very correct and right. That is exactly what she did. She has been telling you, Juju Ekwensu. Saying when you call meet woman for us where you get children, you have to remove the children, make them see your own. If you not remove the other wife children, they not go see your own. He said not be waiting in, they tell you every day. Say clear all me those enemy children come off for road. Now let your own go come day. Now let your own they go they see. He said not be waiting, she tell you. Hey, my people. Juju Ekwensu said that was how she went on the decision. Say make she true by Kambili. She said that was how they went on that mission when they take by Kambili. Juju Ekwensu said it was not an easy task. He said before they were able to bring Kambili down, he said it was tough. It was tough. Not be small thing. He said finally, they now bring the boy down after they brought Yul Edochie into the matter. So according to her, she said she, Grandpapa, Yul Edochie, 3 of them, now get hand for wetin happen to Kambili. He said even her own mother, her sister, they all know. He said all of them wey he mentioned so. He said all of them know what happened to Kambili. Hey, my people. I wish me Edochie know road the way she know now. I wish me Edochie understand them the way she understand them now. Her son for not buy. The woman think say Juju Ekwensu na husband come collect you. She no know say Juju Ekwensu was on a mission to her own family. My people, before I continue, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe. In terms of my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story, God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty never bless you all massively in Jesus' name. My people, not be small thing we can hear. Oh, hey, Juju Ekwensu say all of them, Grandpapa, you, she, her sister, and her mother. All of them get hand take by this boy. See, they join together, take by this boy. So, according to Juju Ekwensu, he say after she don't buy Kambili, now he can't tell Grandpapa say, time don't go. Oh yeah, come give his son property. He say Grandpapa go talk, go here, go talk, go there, go they give different excuses. She said till now, as she dey talk, Grandpapa has refused to give her son the Kambili properties when they suppose give his son, which is Papito. So Juju Ekwensu say if Grandpapa refused to give her son those property, she's coming out to expose everything. Meanwhile, behind closed door, Grandpapa go do DNA test. After Grandpapa did DNA test, he found out that this boy, which is Papito, Juju Ekwensu's son, is not their biological son. It does not belong to him. It does not belong to his son. Grandpapa did not tell Juju Ekwensu. Telling Juju Ekwensu, Grandpapa no say if he bring kasala. So after this man find out, meanwhile, before this man find out, they don't already buy Kambili. Chai. Now then Grandpapa find out say this is not their son. Now Grandpapa say God forbid for their property to go to a strange child that does not have their lineage, that have nothing to do with them. Yay! My lovely fans. That is why Grandpapa refused to give Juju Ekwensu the property. So now Juju Ekwensu they provoke. She said the property they must give it to her. Now she know wetin she went through before they were able to buy Kambele He said they punished this boy. They did everything. The spiritual attack no be here. He said this boy buy. He said this boy buy in a very painful way. Very painful way. Juju Ekwensu say since when Kambele buy, she said she never get peace of mind. He said she go dey sleep for inside room like this. Kambele will sit down for the bed. Will sit down for the edge of the bed. He go dey look am. He say go dey look am. He go open eye, go see Kambele. She go begin to shout, Bikonu, 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 Bikonu. Before people will come, Kambele go disappear. He said many times when that boy they come dey disturb am. He said they've done everything to tie him down. He said no work. So Juju Ekwensu say she's going through a lot. He said Kambele the attacker. He said this boy the fighter. He said since when they buy the boy, he said the boy no rest. He said none of them get peace. He said the only person when Kambele no the attack na grandpapa. He said the charm when grandpapa go do, they don't know where for do am. He said after all this, grandpapa go come tell and say, he no go give his son property. He said, Grandpapa, you must give his son what is due for him. Hey. Wonder shall never end. So Juju Ekwensu was knocking father and son. When we dey talk this thing, like we are praying that this thing should not be true. Juju Ekwensu has personally confirmed it with her own mouth that she was knocking both of them together. When we thought with Senator, hey, so according to Juju Ekwensu now, the property of Kambele is supposed to be handed to her son, Papito. Now, Grandpapa has refused to hand over those property to her son. It's agreement, not the sign. Grandpapa signed agreement with her and say, if they can take Kambele come off for road, make his own son for inherit the property. Say na him be the father of the house, he will handle everything. But now Grandpapa is doing wayo. Extent where these people go. See the extent. They don't confess. So they don't confess. Like I said before, whether not true, whether not lie, I don't know. Whether Juju Ekwensu they talking out of Pepe body of Lizzie Gold and Yul Edochie, I don't know. But for now, this is her confessional. She don't dey confess and they go. She say she go on ring light. Oh, she say she go finish the Edochie family. They never see anything. He say go scatter Grandpapa marriage the way they scatter a marriage. He say you and Grandpapa na scatter a marriage. He said these people used her. He said they used her. Papa used pikin. Now Grandpapa na Juju Ekwensu face. Grandpapa. Because now Grandpapa give her the morale. Una don't understand her now. Now Grandpapa give her the morale. When she say they misbehave, she just come out for social media. So they call me Edochie. They drag the woman with full chest. This family will just keep quiet. Nobody's talking. Nobody is saying anything. And now we don't know the reason if it is true what Juju Ekwensu is saying. And now we know why they say we don't want to talk. Because that insult coming from a side chick to a married woman is unacceptable. Very, very unacceptable. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end though. Hey. Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water say she get the evidence. All the pictures where and Grandpapa for hotel where they do their lovey. Say she get everything. She say she will bring her out. Say what he wants na Kambele property. Juju Ekwensu, there is a parable. When they talk, say, who buy person or they inherit the property. You see that property, you not go inherit it. Grandpapa say he won't carry property give you. You are joking. You are joking. Which property did they talk so? Me Edochie property. When they believe say they go collect, they will give you, then they'll go collect them for you, they'll give their own son. according to Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu say the Juju Ekwensu say you no get voice for this matter. He say na papa. She say wetin dey happen to you. He say na papa do am. He say people dey accuse am say na he tie you. He say she not tie you. He say na papa tie the son. He say if the father can free the son today, he say you will be free. Her own na to pin you for ground. Make it no wrong because you go wrong. He say but if you talk say who they operate your brain, he say na papa. He say because you find out the truth. He say papa blow powder for you eye, make you not remember what he see. He says since then now you brain called the tongue. He said since then now papa begin to twist your brain so that what he saw, he cannot speak. He say you saw the father on top of her. Say you shout, hello. Say now papa bring partner and blow am for you eye. He said till today if you ask you cannot remember what he saw. He says since then, now the papa they play with your brain. They use your brain. They command the brain. He say if anything is happening to you say it's the father waiting concern. Say I wanna just see him pin you for granted. Say na papa they operate the brain. He said the papa even went ahead as telling her that if they buy me Edoche, you collect property, they go even remove you from road. If they not buy you, they will turn you to a fulefu. Then both of them be living their life. He say even all these years, he say and grandpapa still dey. He say nothing stopped their relationship. He say it still continue. No wonder they say that last one where she born and grandpapa get am. That last one. You know, say some people they talk and say na grandpapa get am. Who knows? Because she said the old man see the nakademosa. The pikin see the nakademosa. Now she dey cry say they use that. One that shall never end though. She said she must collect Kambilichuku property. Ask me the property when grandpapa work wey give Kambilichuku. Is it not the same property of me Edoche? Because their grandpapa plan, according to Juju Ekwensu, grandpapa plan was that they will buy me Edoche, you will inherit the property. Then they will not turn you to a fulefu. Then we now inherit the property. But the woman will get property still their life now. Which Kambilichuku property on according to? I be the land where you inherit for your papa side. Una fit collect that one. Me Edoche not send all those things. Which other property on according wait for? Ajamasho. My people, things they happen. Things they happen. This Ekwensu now really wicked soul. A very wicked woman. See, for a woman to go to this extent, you need to be wicked. You need to be a witch. A witch where they fly for afternoon. Afternoon witch. You agree to knock father, knock mother, buy pikin for your own selfish interests. One dash shall never end on my people. Lord Juju Ekwensu is asking grandpapa to return property to his son. Grandpapa now, he don't already do DNA. Papito, which is the star child, is not their family own. Now, before they find out, they don't already buy their own for another person pikin. Hi, my people. No wonder they say none of them have peace. Just take your time and study this family. After the RIP of Kambilichuku, you can see that in that family there is no longer peace. All of them can't be like who they even they colosive. I can tell you for free that the spirit of Kambilichuku is really dealing with them. The spirit of Kambilichuku, they handle them. According to Juju Ekwensu say, and they meet them. And they really they meet them. I believe Juju Ekwensu for that one. And they really they meet them. If you check all of them, everybody is asking, that's all na family be. That's all na family be. That boy is really dealing with them. Imagine what grandpapa said when Kambilichuku buy. I know that he will buy. How did you know? Hey, my people, I don't want to believe that this story is true coming from Juju Ekwensu alias Judy Iscariot. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.